today we are going to solve another Math Olympiad question. Here the problem is 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power b plus 2 to the power c equals to 148. Then find the value of a, b and c. Clear? So we take 2 to the power a common. So we can write 1 plus 2 to the power b over 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power c over 2 to the power a equals to 148. Basically we can write 2 to the power a equals to 2 to the power a into 1 plus 2 to the power b by 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power c by 2 to the power a. We write the same. Now here we can factorize this 148 prime factorization. We can write this after divide by 2 we can write this equals 74. Then again divided by 2 we can write 37. So 148 can be written as 2 into 2 into 37. Okay, so here 2 to the power a plus into 1 plus 2 to the power b by 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power c by 2 to the power a equals to 2 square into 37. Clearly this will be a even number, this also a even number, and here 2 to the power b by 2 to the power a, this is a even, this also a even, but even plus even is even, but even plus 1 is odd, and here 37 is also odd. So we can write, we can say this is a even number, this is even, this is odd, this is even, this is odd. Therefore we can write even equals to even and odd equals to odd. So basically we can say 2 to the power a equals to 2 to the power 2 and 1 plus 2 to the power b by 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power c over 2 to the power a equals to 37. Now from this side we can say base are equal, so the power will be same, therefore a equals to 2. Okay, we get the value of a equals to 2. Now from this side we can write 2 to the power b over 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power c over 2 to the power a equals to 37 minus 1. That imply 2 to the power b by 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power c by 2 to the power a equals to 36. That implies we can again factorize 36. First of all we can LCM this, so this will be 2 to the power b plus 2 to the power c equals to 36. Here 2 to the power b plus 2 to the power c equals to 36 into 2 to the power a, but a equals to 2, so basically we can write 2 to the power b plus 2 to the power c equals to 36 into 2 to the power 2, since a equals to 1. Again we take 2 to the power b as common, then we can write 1 plus 2 to the power c over 2 to the power b equals to 36 into 4. That implies 2 to the power b into 1 plus 2 to the power c over 2 to the power b is equals to, we can here we 2 18 2 9 and 3 3 is 9, so we can write 4 into 9. Why 4 into 9? We again construct this as a even and odd, so we can write 30 instead of 36, we can write 4 into 9 and into 4. Therefore 2 to the power b into 1 plus 2 to the power c by 2 to the power b equals to 4 square into 9. Now we write again in 2's power. 4 square can be written as power of 2. So basically 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power c over 2 to the power b equals to 4 can be written as 2 square into 9. That implies 2 to the power b 1 plus 2 to the power c by 2 to the power b equals to 2 to the power 4 into 9. Again we can say this is the even, this is the odd, this is the even, and this is the odd. Okay, so even is equals to even, this will be odd and this will be odd. So 2 to the power b is equals to 2 to the power 4 and 1 plus 2 to the power c over 2 to the power b equals to 9. We can write that implies b equals to 4. Now that implies 2 to the power c over 2 to the power b equals to 9 minus 1. That implies 2 to the power c equals to 2 to the power b into 8. Okay, now 2 to the power c is equals to b is equals to 2 to the 4, so 2 to the power 4 into 8. 8 can be written as 2 cube. So basically 2 to the power c is equals to 2 to the power 7. So here c equals to 7. C equals to 7, b equals to 4 and a equals to 2. So therefore a equals to 2. Therefore our required solution is a equals to 2, b equals to 4 and c equals to 7 will be our answer. Okay.